Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy XRP on Coinbase Advanced. Many people wonder about the best way to acquire XRP, and using Coinbase Advanced offers a streamlined and efficient process. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you understand how to set up your account, fund it, and successfully execute your XRP purchase. This guide is designed to make the process clear and straightforward for everyone. Before you can buy XRP, you'll need a fully verified Coinbase account. Once your basic account is set up, you'll fund it. You can link your bank account for transfers or use a debit card for quicker deposits. After funding, simply switch to the Coinbase Advanced platform, which provides more robust trading tools and lower fees compared to the standard Coinbase interface. This step is crucial for accessing the features you need. Now that your account is funded and you're on Coinbase Advanced, it's time to buy XRP. Look for the XRP trading pair, typically XRP versus USD. You can then decide between a market order, which executes immediately at the current price, or a limit order, allowing you to set a specific price you wish to buy at. Review all the details carefully before confirming your order to ensure accuracy. It's a quick and simple process. When buying XRP, always consider the trading fees, which are generally lower on Coinbase Advanced but still present. Also, remember that cryptocurrency markets can be highly volatile, so prices can change rapidly. It's wise to only invest what you're comfortable losing. For more great tips and deals, including a link to some amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, check out the description below this video. Thanks for watching and happy trading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.